Today we got a video from Crime Cam Now, and the title of the video is Let's Switch Seats. Test drive turns into carjacking.
On June 12, 2024, officers with the Chamblee Police Department responded to a reported carjacking in Chamblee, Georgia.
Did he have any weapons or anything?
I have no idea. So, he was wearing white shorts, white shirt.
So what exactly happened? So
basically, I'm selling a car.
Okay.
I buy and sell cars.
Okay.
I have my wife with me as well.
Okay.
He said, hey, I can't go all the way where you're at because I have kids, whatever. I'm close over here. Okay, no problem, cool. I'll come right here. He gave me a phone number. All right, cool. I came down here. You remember we met at the Wendy's? Okay. Right there. He's like, yeah, can we test drive it? I'm like, yeah, sure, no, why not? Okay. We test drove it. He's like, all right, cool. I'm saying 4,000 to Cash App, and the rest goes out, which is 5,000. Okay. We met right over there. We stopped like, oh, I'm gonna let you drive so you could drive back. We was over there. Okay. We was doing a transaction. Okay. And then that was it. He's like, all right, let's switch seats so you could drive back. I'm like, all right, cool. I turned around. That's when he just left, and I ran right after him, and he ran over my foot.
Okay. Do you need medical attention?
No, I'm fine. I'm fine. Okay. I see my shoe over there. Okay. I tried to stop you first.
Is that your wife?
Yes.
All right. Hang out with her for a little bit. She can pull right here. You got any type of paperwork showing that you purchased the vehicle?
I can call the people saying that I bought the vehicle.
Do you have anything like on your phone or anything?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, yes, I do.
A picture of a title or a bill of sale? Because it's registered to somebody else.
Yeah. What's up, bro? What's your address again? So I come grab it today. You grab me some of the address.
Wait, is that the guy that tested?
No, that's the guy that I bought the car off of.
Okay, how long ago did you buy it?
Literally 2 days ago. I can call him right now. He can confirm that for
You got a picture of a title?
I can call him to...
See if you get a picture of a title.
Okay. Because everything's literally in the car. I told the owner of the vehicle, basically, that I bought it off of.
Wait, so he has the information, but it's in the vehicle that was stolen.
She's gonna send me the copy of the title and the bill of sale stating that she sold it to me. Okay. And her ID along with it.
That's perfect. That's exactly what I need. I'll re-put out the information. There's all the officers in the area trying to look for it.
Okay, perfect.
Do you remember what the individual looked like?
Yes, she's wearing a white shirt, white pants, sleeve tattoo. Got a hat? Got a hat, right?
What color hat?
Black hat, I believe.
Black male, white male, Asian male, Hispanic?
Black male.
Do you know approximately how tall?
About, I'll say like 2 inches taller than you.
So about 6 feet?
Yeah.
Does he have a phone number, or how did you guys get in contact?
Yeah. One was through Facebook.
So did you receive any money at all?
No, no money at all.
Nothing. And how much were you trying to sell it for?
5,000.
All right, give me 1 second. Let me get all the information. I'm going to send you another link too, so give me 1 second.
A short time later, the stolen vehicle was spotted by officers in neighboring Dunwoody, prompting a traffic stop.
Okay. Okay, now. Pull over. Or we gonna have a police chase. Okay, he pulling over. Okay. So we're gonna have a police chase.
Hey, hands out the vehicle. Hands outside the vehicle. Hands outside of the vehicle. If there's anybody else in the vehicle, put your hands.
Wee! My guy to the left is ready to. He ready to send him to the afterlife, boy. I see the way he aiming that thing, boy. Oh yeah, he got good aim.
Out of the passenger side of the vehicle. Reach for the door slowly. Reach for the handle slowly. Reach for the handle slowly.
Slowly now. Slowly.
What's up? There you go. Oh, you don't. Open it. I like it from the top right there. Keep one hand out. One hand out. There you go. Just slowly do it. Pull it and
we will empty this clip on you, man. Slowly.
With your left hand, unlock the door. Left hand. Use your right hand out with your left hand, unlock the door.
Put your hands up. Hey, don't reach for nothing. Put your hands up and get out the car. Face that way and walk backwards towards the sound of my voice.
Just confirm you don't have one in custody.
Get on your knees. Lay face down. Face down.
Y'all hold cover. Go ahead.
Gunpoint 2254.
You check the car real quick.
He really tried to pull a fast one. Like, come on, man. Steal the car?
All right, they want someone in custody. All right, man. You go ahead, lay you on your side. All right, pick your knees up. You got any ID on you? No? All right. Hey, man, you wanna,
Get my shoes up.
we get it all in a second, bro. You already patted him down? No, I'm about to not. Go ahead and face that way. Where your ID at?
All right.
Resume normal traffic on Main. Resume normal traffic on Main. 2255.
What's your first name? Curtis? Yeah. I'm gonna read you something, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, you won't be appointed to represent you before any question if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and have not answer any questions or make any statements. Have these rights in mind, you wish to talk to them? Yeah.
Yeah, they have the name. You've got a white t-shirt, gray sweatpants, shorts, white hat, wearing glasses.
Or description I got was a white shirt, white pants, with the sleeve tattoo, black and white hat, black male, 6 feet, 140 to 150 pounds.
Yep. The car.
I just bought it.
We just bought it? This time of night?
I got tied in the car.
How you just bought it? Who you bought it from?
I don't know the guy name. Somewhere on Facebook Marketplace.
Been on Facebook Marketplace? Where you got the car from?
That's why I met him. I met him on Facebook Marketplace.
I'm saying, you say you just bought it. Where did you pick it up from?
In Chambly.
In Chambly?
Yeah, right there by the, it's like a dealership. I don't know exactly the street.
It's right there by the dealership?
Yeah, I don't know the street.
And you said on Facebook Marketplace? How much you paid for the car?
$5,000.
So you just bought this car tonight?
Yeah, got tied in the car.
At 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock at night? You got a driver's license?
Can I get my shoes on?
Yeah, we'll get all that for you. Slide in for me. Watch your knee.
Where you live at, man? What are you doing up here? I'm buying that car. You realize where you're at right now? What, done with it? You ain't
You in the wrong neck of the woods. That's what that means. You realize where you at right now?
done with it right now. Sandy Spring? Yeah. I mean, I'm just trying to figure out like what she's doing like way up here. Where in DeKalb do you live?
By North Side Drive.
Where is that in DeKalb?
Oh no, North Druid Hill.
North Druid Hills?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, why are you up here?
Buying a car.
I mean, you ain't buying a car on the side of the road up here.
Nah, y'all pulled me over. I was going that way.
Going what way? To North Druid Hills?
Yeah.
No, you wasn't. That's the opposite direction, brother.
Yeah, I got to find a hot spot.
You understand where like Sandy Springs, like what county that is, correct?
Yeah.
That's Fulton County.
Can I ask you a question, sorry?
Yeah.
You asked me quick, I asked you.
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what we doing up here.
Hey, why y'all pulled me over like this for the, like...
Because the reporter stole a car.
That car at the airport stolen?
Yeah.
How did the reporter stolen? I gave him money for it.
That's what we're trying to figure out right now.
I got the title inside the car.
Well, that's what we're trying to figure out right now. That's why. You asked and I'm telling you.
So he take the money and then report the car stolen.
Did you transaction the money already?
Yeah.
Do you have a receipt where you had that transaction?
I mean, I'm going to have to show that in court, though. I can't just, you know what I'm saying?
Well, no, so what I'm saying is if you got a receipt like right now that we can see that you transfer that money, then that answers all of our questions.
Yeah. All right. Can you grab my phone?
Yeah.
Cash App.
Cash App?
Yeah, go to the app.
Where's that at?
Go to the one. Where it say one? That was a printing transaction right there. Then,
Which one?
See, him, the first one. Then I sent, then I had my,
Czar?
yeah. Then I had my baby mama, we sent the rest of it. But that one kept saying pending. So it said complete payment.
So it hasn't been completed yet?
No, it was complete. Because Cause he had got the notification on his end. I was about to cancel it. He was like, just wait. Cause he had got the notification.
I see where it's pending.
And then we had sent the rest of it on Zelle.
What'd you transfer on Zelle?
2,000.
So just asking, what I see that you sent 5,000 here, 3,000 here. What's all the money you spending? What you buying?
Come on. You ain't gotta answer all that now. Come on, officer. You stretching it now. You stretching it. You trying to get more info. I get it, but listen, we gotta stick to the transactions. But we gotta stick to the transactions about the vehicle. But what this guy is showing, the guy already said that. He said half was gonna be paid on Cash App and the other half on Zelle. And he stole the car. He took the car. This was already relayed. But see, these officers probably don't know because this is a completely different town, so they trying to coordinate everything together. But yeah, you're cooked, guy. You're cooked.
You gotta get what I'm getting at. Like, there's a lot of money to be spending in one day.
What does action needed mean?
Yeah, it was this morning.
My brother.
$5,000 this morning.
My brother.
Another 5,000 just a little while ago. You asked me.
So what does it mean when it says action needed?
Okay. All right, just 1 second, bro.
We'll let
Yeah, 1 second.
we'll get it. What's your knees?
How's your foot?
I mean, I was running on the side, so I'll be all right.
I got you.
I'm nationals in track, cross country.
Right. I got you, but your foot did get run over, right?
It did, yes.
Do you want us to call?
He said, I'm a natural in cross country. What they got to do with a however many pounds a car weigh getting ran over, man?
EMS just to check out the side, just in case, or?
I mean, they can, but I'm pretty much fine.
It's totally your call.
I'm fine with the EMS.
Okay. How about this? Do you mind sitting on his push bumper or sitting in the back of the seat of his car or sitting on that rock?
Okay.
And taking your shoe off so I can look at see if there's any bruises, because if there is, there might be additional charges.
No problem.
So you're into flipping cars?
Yes, sir. I buy and sell cars. I'm a mobile mechanic.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what we got?
Right here.
That blister?
I guess
Okay.
another one's Foreman. Another one's Foreman.
Okay, so with the blister and everything, the battery visible harm will fit. So do this for me.
Yes,
Put
sir.
your foot on the side and let me take a picture of your foot at different angles.
Yeah, go ahead.
So let me take a picture of the top side. No, you're good.
Okay.
I'll move around for
Gotcha.
you. So how long you been flipping cars?
I've been doing it for like 2-3 years now, since I moved out here.
I'm
from New York.
I got you. And first time like this.
All right.
Basically.
Hey, you ready to transport him?
Yeah. New York on a hustle, man.
So Detective Phillips, oh, is that your wife?
Perfect.
Okay.
So you can have her wait here? Yeah, and I'll take you over there so you can do the show up.
Okay.
And then once we get the positive ID, then I'll bring you back over here and we like, well, you're going to have the car then.
Yeah, I'm out of the car. I'm here.
Yeah, so you can drive back.
Yeah, so to give her a buzz, let her know what's going on while he's driving you over there. And she can actually head on home. Where y'all live at?
We live in Gwinnett.
Okay, so
You got your cell phone?
Yeah.
Well, let's let him confirm that he can drive the car first before she leaves, just in case he needs to get a ride home.
During a drive-by identification, the victim confirmed that the suspect was indeed the man who had stolen the car.
Just stand right here for me. Watch that putter right there. It's a little down on the ground.
Yeah, we need to identify him.
Put my phone there. You grab the shoes so we can get the shoes real quick before you get back in. Hold on, we'll get the shoes. You tell me I'm getting charged with them? Yeah, Shamba finna let you know. Could have been a crazier day. Worked out. You know, even though he's going to jail tonight, everybody's still going home.
He now faces charges of second-degree motor vehicle hijacking and aggravated assault, and was transported to DeKalb County Jail.
Can't take
can't take you out of cuffs until we go inside. But you think you'll be able to manipulate it? Put your hand behind your back. Do it.
So I got charged with carjacking without weapon.
Carjacking and battery. That's 2 charges.
What the battery? What it is? Them felons?
Carjacking is battery. Yeah, I think battery will be too.
Hell, I get charged. Battery? I ain't. Who I hit?
The individual.
Who?
The individual.
I hit him with my hand.
Apparently, you hit him with the car. We're gonna go up to the red pole. Hang on the left side.
Did you see something or you?
Yeah, there's.
You seen it?
There's injuries.
What injuries is it?
Apparently, you hit him with the car. So right here. We gotta stay behind the yellow line.
See, this part is funny because he's thinking like getting hit with the car, like as if like he hit him and like ran him over or something like that, like as like really hit him, but he probably doesn't even realize that he went over his foot with the tire as he was driving off. He probably don't even realize that, so he's trying to process it. Like, wait, what? He got injuries. Wait, I beat him up. What happened? What? Where battery come from?
So you seen it?
So somehow put this in your pocket.
So you seen it?
So the whole thing is, that's what court's for. Go to court. Yes, ma'am. Go ahead. If you have any issues, just when you go to court, explain to the judge what happened.
The suspect was sentenced to 1 year in jail and 4 years on probation. Since he'd already been behind bars since his arrest, that time was counted toward his sentence, so he was released straight to probation instead of going back to jail.
Oops, oh shit. Clicked the wrong goddamn thing. Okay.
On June.
All right. There we go. All right. Damn. So it took about a year. It took a year for this case to be settled, and he sat in jail that whole time. So that's pretty wild. Damn. He sat in the county for a year fighting his case. So when it was done and over with, time served. Go home. That's crazy, man.